Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to play TruckersMP in virtual reality. Yes, TruckersMP is not set up to play in virtual reality, but it can still be played in virtual reality. I use a program called vorpx. vorpx is a program that attaches itself to programs, games, 3D games, and then you're able to play these games in virtual reality. Head over to the home page of vorpx. Do a bit of research first, because this game actually does cost just over £34. So make sure you're satisfied that you really want to download and use this program. vorpx, as I said, attaches itself to many games so you can play in virtual reality. Once the game is paid for and downloaded, you have a configuration page. Over to the configuration page and onto the general tab and select your device. I'm using HTC Vive. Change the hand controllers or make sure they're into auto, and that is basically it. Apply and close. Just out of interest, if you go down to load profiles, you'll notice there are many games that have already been used with vorpx. So this is a program which is pretty good for VR. Then all you have to do is run your Truckers program. When you run your Truckers program, Steam VR will automatically load. And at the same time, vorpx will attach itself to TruckersMP. Now I can't show you two screens at once because you will get an additional screen in your headset. First of all, let's log on to TruckersMP. And for example, this example, we'll just click on the arcade server. Once we're in that screen, and before we continue actually into the game, if we look into our headset, although you guys won't see this, if we look into our headset and press the delete key, we will have a vorpx window turn up. And on this, we can change our playstyle from VR mode to immersive mode or into cinema mode. All we have to do is change to cinema mode. Once we're in cinema mode, we can then click onto the game. Now we're in the game. We can click on our delete key again, change from cinema mode into full VR mode, and now we're in full immersive mode. Click on drive, and that's basically it. Now I'm inside my truck. The only thing with this is you will not see your extra mirrors or your GPS, only the ones that are actually based inside the game itself. If you do want to see them, click on your delete key again, change your play style from VR mode either to cinema mode or to immersive mode, And as you move your head around inside your VR headset, you will see your mirrors and your GPS map. The only other key you'll have to press on this vorpx window is a center tracking key. Click on that, and that's it. You're ready to go. Any questions, don't hesitate to get back to me, drop me a line. This is how I play TruckersMP in VR, and to be honest, I think it's a lot more immersive than ETS2. Cheers and enjoy.